Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check RAM memory available on Redmi Note 12R. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then locate about phone information and go for the detail info and specifications. Here you can see the RAM that is available, so in this case there's 4.0 gigabytes plus 2 gigabytes that are extended. And to manage the extension for your RAM memory, you need to go back and in the settings scroll down for additional settings. Here scroll down again and we have a memory extension, and here you can change it. As you saw, we have 2.0 gigabytes active right now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.